This is what happens when water main and a major gas pipeline rupture at the same time, and the record keeping associated with this event is full of contradictory details and timelines. I've been investigating a gas leak that was smelt by people from kilometres away. The gas leak happened on Gipping Road, Great Blakenham, in August 2024. This wasn't a minor leak. People could smell it in the neighbouring Barham. Anglian Water stated, due to the volume of gas coming out, the Cadent engineers couldn't get close enough to repair under pressure. Cadent tried to operate valves to isolate the pipe and perform repairs, but due to the valves being inoperable, they decided to excavate either side of the leak and install line stops. Unburned methane was blasted at high pressure directly into the atmosphere for many hours. Methane is 80 times more effective at trapping heat than carbon dioxide, and this means that a leak like this would have been equivalent to easily more than 10,000 tonnes of carbon dioxide, essentially the same as the yearly emissions from roughly 5,000 cars. Reviewing two separate Freedom of Information requests to both Anglian Water and Cadent, I'm trying to understand some basic points. Who reported the leak? Cadent states, we were alerted to this particular escape by Anglian Water, while Anglian Water state, Anglian Water did not discover the gas leak or report it to Cadent. So when did it get reported? Anglian Water say they arrived at 7 AM to find Cadent already on site, but Cadent tell us that they received the first report at 7:53 and arrived at 8:27. So what do we still not know? Well, first, who discovered the leak and how? And why did Cadent specifically say Anglian Water reported it? And how could Cadent be on site before they received the report? And what really caused the damage to the gas main? Why were the valves inoperable on a gas main installed in 1990? And it also raises some further questions for the future. With hydrogen and carbon dioxide pipelines all being proposed for the UK's net zero energy infrastructure, the cause of this leak is unknown. So how could it possibly mitigate an unknown risk, especially when the stakes are higher? Carbon dioxide is denser than air, it pools into valleys and dips, and it suffocates people, and this has already happened in Mississippi. Hydrogen has a much higher explosivity range and is much more challenging to manage safely. So if basic record keeping seems to be failing with fossil gas, are the networks prepared for the risks associated with these new proposed pipeline networks?